Welcome to the fifth series of the e-sessions of Module 3 of Brand Marketing. This course is offered to Semester 9 students of LJ Integrated. In this session, I, Dr. Susmita Suggala, will be discussing how one can leverage secondary brand associations to build brand equity, ways to leverage secondary brand association, the process to leverage secondary brand associations, and the key tactics or issues to leverage secondary brand associations. Leveraging secondary brand associations to build brand equity. Now, the secondary brand associations are important to create strong, favorable, and unique associations or a positive response of some existing brand associations which fall short in some way. The indirect approach to building brand equity is called leveraging secondary brand associations. Here, there are different ways of leveraging a secondary of any brand. First is through companies, that is building branding strategies. Here, the strength of the association from the brand to the company and other existing brands is done. The second, countries or other geographic areas. Here, the identification of product origin is chosen. Choosing a brand with a strong national ties communicates self-image based on the strong points of differences. For example, Cadbury's is linked with England, Silk from China. There are some South African Airways, so that's how you try to link. Channels of distribution. This affects the brand equity through an image transfer. The other brands are co-branding. This is a marketing strategy that utilizes multiple brand names on goods or services as part of the strategic alliance. It could also be a joint venture. We also call that as joint venture co-branding. Co-branding, also called as brand alliances or brand building, occurs when two or more existing brands are combined into a joint product or marketed together in some fashion. This creates brand awareness, it creates a unique association, some positive judgments or feelings. For example, Jet Airways and Citibank. Here, it is a co-branding which has been an alliance which has been formed. Now, to come to understand about ingredient branding. This creates a brand equity for materials, components, or parts that are contained within other branded products. For example, Nokia and Carl Zeiss lens, Dolby noise reduction, Teflon coated. So here you are talking about the ingredients which are added to the product, and both of them are adding to the brand equity. Then we talk about licensing. The characters are licensed here, so which creates contractual agreements so that firms can use the names, logos and characters, especially the Disney characters. Then we have spokespersons, or these spokespersons are people who endorse, or you can call it as the endorsements, celebrity endorsements, which people try to link with that product. The well-known and admired people generally promote these products, and this is a widespread common phenomenon. This creates high visibility. It has a rich set of potentially useful associations, judgments and feelings. Then we come to events. So events, you have sponsorships. So these sponsored events can contribute to brand equity by associating with the brand and improving brand awareness, adding associations, or improving the strength, favorability and uniqueness of the existing associations. Other third-party sources is the last way of leveraging brand associations, that is through awards or reviews. These can be the credible sources like your labels or reviews which are given to improve the perception and attitudes of the customers. Conceptualizing the leveraging process. Here it is the creation of new brand association, or it is the effects of existing brand knowledge. So the factors in predicting extent of leveraging are awareness and knowledge of that particular entity. Second is meaningfulness of the knowledge of that entity. And third is the transferability of the knowledge of that entity. The books that can be used for further references are as given. Thank you.